So maybe Robinhood just did you dirty, or you're just done with them. You're like, you know what, I want out and I'm done. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to close and deactivate your Robinhood account step by step, and also show you some things that you should look out for to make sure that you don't get charged a fee when you go to close your Robinhood account. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comments below, and please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. Okay, first things first, go ahead and open up your Robinhood investing app. Now, if you are going to switch to another brokerage to start investing, you might want to consider Webull. They are actually offering 4 free stocks when you open up an account using my link down in the description. Now keep in mind with that, to get all 4 free stocks worth up to $1,600, you do need to deposit at least $100 the first time that you deposit money into the account. So keep that in mind. Now that we're at the main screen, you're going to go ahead and tap on that little person down there at the bottom right. And then from here, you're going to hit settings. And at the very top, you see account information. So go ahead and press on that. Now here's all of your account information. Now I'm gonna have most of this blacked out for you because I don't want you to know all of my information so you can steal all of my money and my stocks. But on this screen, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see deactivate accounts. We're gonna press on that, and there's a couple more steps that you have to go through. The first thing you have to do to actually deactivate and close your account is at the very top, it says you have to sell all of your shares and close all of the positions. So right now I currently have 8 open positions. So I have to actually do that and get them sold off before I can continue with the process. But after you do that, the next thing you have to do is zero out your account balance. So as you can see, my account balance is a little over $4,900. So once I sell my stocks, I have to withdraw all of my money within the account so I can get that balance to 0. And then after that, that's when you'll be able to actually deactivate your account. Now, if you instead want to transfer your money from Robinhood to another investment brokerage, you're going to need to know a little bit more information. The first thing is at the very top, you see the question mark. So we're going to press on that so you can get an idea of what you have to do, because there's also some fees involved. So in that case, you wouldn't actually want to sell your stocks, right? Because you want to transfer your stocks from Robinhood to another investment brokerage. So you don't want to necessarily go and sell your shares yet. So if you need to close your account, let's scroll down. And here we go. If you want to transfer your account to another brokerage, you have to choose where you'd like to transfer your account, right? So you would log on to that specific brokerage and start the transfer process. Now, whatever new brokerage you're going to go to, what they're going to do is they're going to ask you for a lot of your account information for Robinhood, so they know who to contact to say, hey, so-and-so wants to move all of their shares of whatever stocks they have into our platform, and then they're going to start the process for you. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you can see under number 2 there that you submit a request to the brokerage to have your assets transferred out. So let me press on transfer it out right there because I want you to see what else is involved when you go to transfer your stocks to another brokerage. You're actually going to get charged a $75 fee to transfer assets out of Robinhood. Now, all assets mean, or assets in this case, they're talking about stocks. So you're not going to get charged a transfer fee if you just sell all of your stocks and withdraw the money into your bank account. You're not going to get charged a fee, but you will if you try. You will get charged that $75 if you try to move the money from Robinhood to another brokerage account without actually selling your stocks. So keep that in mind. And once you do that, you are good to go. Once again, don't forget to get your 4 free stocks from Webull worth up to $1,600 using my link down in the description to open up an account. Remember that you have to deposit at least $100 the first time that you put money into the account within 30 days of opening the account. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, everyone. Watch these videos to your left next. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Done.